This tiny bird can do something no other bird can do. It can fly backward. Meet the hummingbird. Its wings move so fast that they can beat around 50 times every second. But here is the amazing part. Unlike most birds, the hummingbird can move its wings in a special figure-8 pattern. This allows it to hover in one place, fly forward, fly sideways, and even fly backward. It can also stop in midair to drink nectar from flowers. And despite being one of the smallest birds in the world, the hummingbird is one of nature's greatest flying machines. So, the next time you see a tiny hummingbird, remember, you are looking at the only bird in the world that can truly fly backward.